In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a cash account on Moomoo. Whether you're looking to start trading or simply want to manage your investments better, setting up a cash account is a straightforward process. So, let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll need to open the Moomoo app and sign into your account. If you haven't already downloaded the app, you can find it in your device's app store. Signing in is simple. Just use your existing credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see the app's main interface. Next, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on the Accounts icon. This will bring up a list of the accounts you already have, along with options to manage them. In this section, you'll want to find and tap on Add Accounts. This is where you'll start the process of creating a new account. Now, you'll be presented with different account types to choose from. It's important to select the one that best fits your needs. For our purposes today, we'll be focusing on setting up an individual cash account. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and tap Next to proceed. The next step is to complete the application form by providing some essential information. This includes your personal details like your name and address, employment information, financial details such as your income and assets, and any necessary tax information. Make sure to fill out each section accurately, as this information is crucial for setting up your account correctly. Once you've filled out all the required fields, take a moment to review your application. It's always a good idea to double-check your entries for accuracy to avoid any delays in processing. When you're confident that everything is correct, go ahead and submit your application. After submission, Moomoo will begin reviewing your application. This review process typically takes between 1 to 3 business days. During this time, you can check back in the app to see the status of your application. Once your application is approved, your new cash account will appear in the Accounts section of the app. At this point, your account is ready to be funded and you can begin trading. Remember, having a cash account means you'll be trading with the cash you deposit, which can help you manage your investments more effectively. And that's it. Your Moomoo cash account will be ready to use once the approval process is complete. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in setting up your new account. Happy trading, and thanks for watching.